In 480 BC, the largest army the world had ever seen marched toward Greece. Xerxes, king of Persia, commanded warriors from every corner of his empire, from the Indus to the Nile. Some ancient accounts claim over 1 million men. Modern historians believe the true number was still staggering tens of thousands, perhaps more. They crossed the Hellespont on a bridge built from lashed-together ships. Ahead of them lay Greece divided, frightened, and unprepared. The oracle at Delphi offered only one prophecy: destruction or the death of a king. Sparta chose its king. Leonidas led 300 of his finest soldiers north, not to win, but to buy time for Greece to prepare. They marched past their own families, knowing many would not return. Joined by thousands of allied Greeks, they arrived at a narrow coastal pass between cliff and sea. The Greeks called it Thermopylae, the hot gates. It was barely wide enough for a single cart to pass through. That narrowness was about to become Persia's greatest obstacle. The Greeks reinforced an old wall across the pass and waited. When the Persian army arrived, it filled the horizon, campfires stretching as far as the eye could see. A scout was sent to observe the enemy. He returned with strange news. The Spartans weren't preparing for battle. They were calmly combing their hair and oiling their shields. Xerxes sent a final demand: surrender your weapons. The Spartan response has echoed for 25 centuries. Come and take them. When warned that Persian arrows would blot out the sun, one Spartan soldier reportedly smiled and said, "Then we will fight in the shade." The battle began. Wave after wave of Persian soldiers surged into the pass, only to be funneled into a space so narrow that their vast numbers meant nothing. The Spartan shield wall held. Spears bristled. Lines did not break. Even Xerxes' elite guard, the Immortals, charged and recoiled. For 2 full days, a few thousand Greeks held back an empire. The pass became a graveyard of broken spears and shattered shields. But the wall did not fall. Then came betrayal. A local man named Ephialtes, seeking reward, revealed a hidden mountain path that circled behind the Greek position. Persian soldiers moved through the night, climbing where no one expected an army to climb. By dawn, the defenders guarding that path had scattered. A messenger reached Leonidas with the news. They were about to be surrounded. Leonidas made his decision. He ordered most of the allied Greek forces to retreat to survive, regroup, and fight another day. He and his 300 Spartans stayed. So did a band of Thespians, who refused to leave their side. They knew they would not survive the dawn. They fought anyway, until the last shield fell. Centuries later, a monument was raised on that same ground. Its inscription reads, in translation, "Go tell the Spartans, passer-by, that here, obedient to their laws, we lie." Thermopylae did not stop Xerxes, but it gave Greece something more valuable than a victory. It gave them time, and it gave them a reason to believe they could win. A year later, they did.